Wow, good make it. Wow, good. Okay, can rest already.
Wow. Woo. Beautiful.
How's today?
Swim, man.
Today how? The current?
Lots of seagrass or kelps. Beautiful corals.
But crabs don't see too near. Kena tangle.
Strong current.
You swim a bit deeper and stronger current.
Yeah. But beautiful.
Wow. So the water here is
Definitely better than ECP. You're right.
So every week come here lah.
Yeah, sure. Definitely have to come again.
Now Vincent, my swim buddy, reach already.
We should take a photo.
So anything want to say about the swim?
Oh, great swim.
Okay.
This in memory of my